Your idea is sitting in a document right now. Maybe it's a rough outline, a blog post, a PDF full of research notes, or reference images you want explained. And somewhere between that document and a finished professional video, most people run out of time, patience, or both. That's the real problem with making whiteboard videos the traditional way. There are at least 5 completely separate stages: writing the script, recording the voiceover, designing the visuals, animating every scene, and editing everything together. Each stage demands different software and different skills. Most people hit a wall somewhere in the middle and either give up or pay someone else to finish it. That's exactly the gap Ankon AI was built to close. Here's how it works. You start with whatever you already have: a rough idea, a blog post, a PDF, or reference images. Ankon reads through your material, pulls out the key ideas, and builds a clear narration script automatically. Then, without you touching any animation software at all, it turns that script into a fully animated whiteboard video. Real illustrations, smooth scene transitions, a realistic AI voiceover, or even your own voice through advanced voice cloning. Natural pacing, the whole thing done. Think of it like cooking a meal completely from scratch versus describing what you want and having a skilled chef hand you the finished dish. You still chose the meal. You just skipped all the hard prep, and you stay in control the entire time. You pick how long the video runs. You choose from natural-sounding AI voices and preview them before anything renders. Select between 2 distinct style modes: clean and minimalist, or vivid with rich color. Turn on Enhance 2x for more polished animations. Export in landscape for YouTube or online courses, or go vertical for shorts, reels, and TikTok. One idea, ready for every platform at once. Add captions with a single click. Reach global audiences with multi-language support. Share content securely using the private share feature. Upload your logo once, and Ankon adds your branding to every video automatically. For topics where accuracy really matters, education, science, professional content, there's a built-in fact-checking step that lets you verify your material before the video is ever generated. Publishing is handled too. Ankon automatically generates your title, description, keywords, tags, and organized upload chapters. And if you want inspiration, the public Ankon gallery showcases videos from creators, educators, and founders around the world. Right now, Ankon AI is open and free to try. Every new user gets 5 free rendering credits, worth $10, enough to create real, publish-ready videos before spending anything. Visit ankoni.com and sign up today. Here's the part worth remembering. Everything you just heard, the script, the voice, the pacing, was designed to feed directly into Ankon AI, where the illustrations, captions, and animation are created entirely by the platform. The product doesn't just describe what it does, it proves it by doing it.